DLRs, hey, what's going on, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel? Thank you for watching. We're referencing our Chrysler Pacifica. In today's video, you might actually have a different vehicle. No big deal. We're going to show you how to reorganize or move apps on your center console screen. Let's take a look. We're outside, and in front of us is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Let's hop inside the vehicle and continue the project. Our DOR is inside the vehicle now, and the instrument cluster is illuminated only because we opened and closed the door. However, we need to turn on the electrical system, coming down to the engine start stop push button and pushing it once. And once you push that button one time, the center screen illuminates. However, not all of the apps show up. As you see, we are missing a few. We're going to come back and go down. Push the engine start stop push button a second time without starting the engine. This is going to turn on your ignition system. As you see there, again, we kept our foot off the brake pedal and did not start the engine. However, here, as you can see, additional apps have appeared and to our center screen. And to, again, move or adjust or properly organize your apps to your liking, all you have to do is basically push and hold. And then once it illuminates, you just drag it and set it anywhere you want it. You could even bring it over to the arrow, take it to the next page, and drop it. And again, pushing, holding, moving it here, you can rearrange your entire app settings and organization. DORs, it is that easy. Again, all you have to do is turn on the electrical system, followed by turning on the ignition without starting the engine. Press and hold, drag, and organize your Uconnect screen. In addition, scrolling above right now is a link to a video, and in that video we show how to adjust or set your clock, as well as change it from the 12-hour to 24-hour, aka military time.